Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance obsession. The song is Call Me Every Day. The artist is Chris Brown featuring WIZKID. The choreography is Mike D. Douglas, and FELICIA FEFE Singleton. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, just type in the dance. You'll see the choreographer teach it, or click on this link at the end of this video. And here we go.
I feel make you mine up. But I love you plus I never make you mine up. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my life up. If you better know that I'ma spend the night. I can love you every day. That dancing with the money I go take. For your love I go pay. It make it money days. I feel this for you every day. When you come over it back on the plane. For your love I go pay. For your love
There you go, obsession. Make sure to click on the video for the instructor or put the name in the title box and you'll see the instructor teaching it. My name is Linda Sims. I am the WIZKID teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.